Now, this coup in Chile was supported by the US government because they disliked the previous government. And after the dictatorship was established in Chile, there were certain measures which were taken, that is, all those people who supported and opposed the present government, that is, supporters of the previous government, and the people who opposed the present government were tortured and killed. There were some like General Alberto Pechot, who was the head of the Air Force, was killed, and his wife and daughter were put in house arrest. When the general ruled for 17 years and thought that he had become powerful enough to do whatever he felt in the country, he ordered for a referendum in the year 1988. And this changed the fate of the general, because the general was sure that the people are going to support him and the verdict is going to be in his favor. But alas, it did not turn out to be. The people said no to the present government, and then they remembered the speech which the earlier president had given on air, wherein he said that the felony, cowardice and treason shall one day surpass. So, after the government lost the support, it was an end to the dictatorial and the military rule in Chile. An inquiry was set up against the government, which found the government to be corrupt and brutal. Michelle Bachelet, that is the daughter of General Alberto, the then head of the Air Force, was elected the president of Chile in 2006. She became the first woman to become a defense minister in the country, in the Latin American countries. Now, when she actually became overpowerful, or when she actually came in power, she just said these words, and the words were, "I was in fact the victim of hatred, so my life is dedicated now to reverse hatred and see to it that now there is understanding, love and tolerance in the country." So this marked the beginning of democracy in Chile, that is the popular government in Chile. This is one example that we have seen how the government changed in one of the Latin American countries.